All things are bound by a single breath. Recognize the unity of all, for within that unity lies wisdom and harmony. The essence of life flows through all things. When we understand this, compassion and respect follow naturally. Let reason be your guide, for it illuminates the path when emotions cloud your judgment. The world is an open book. Nature is our teacher. Observe and learn from it, for it holds the answers we seek. True strength lies in understanding, not in control. Let knowledge shape your actions with compassion. All life draws from a single breath. Know this, and you will see yourself reflected in all beings around you. In the journey of life, seek harmony between the heart and the mind, for they are partners on the path to wisdom. The universe breathes life into all. When we honor our place within it, we act with reverence and humility. Rational thought is a light within us. Embrace it, for it reveals the nature of our choices and leads to growth. The mind, when guided by reason, becomes like clear water, undisturbed and capable of seeing truth. Do not separate yourself from the world. In isolation, the spirit weakens, but in unity it thrives. Our existence is a fleeting part of a vast, endless flow. Honor it by living with intention and awareness. Wisdom does not reside in separation, but in the recognition of our connection to all things. All paths lead to unity when we walk with a clear mind and an open heart. To know the self is to see the self in all. This is the path of wisdom and the source of true peace. We are bound not by our differences, but by the essence that flows through us all. A calm mind sees connections, where a restless mind sees separation. Strive for peace and unity will follow. To find yourself, see yourself as part of the world. Only then will you truly understand your purpose. Our thoughts and actions are ripples in a vast ocean. Live with awareness, for you are part of something far greater. Reason allows us to bridge the gap between what we see and what truly is.